Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing unlawful entry as one of the aggravating circumstances. Unlawful entry. There is unlawful entry when an entrance is effected by way not intended for the purpose. Ang akusado ay pumasok sa bahay, opisina o anumang lugar gamit ang ibang paraan ng pagpasok o hindi sa tamang daanan kagaya ng bintana, opening sa bubong, etc. Kailan ito considered inherent o kailan hindi ito i-consider ng court para pataasin ang penalty ng akusado? Unlawful entry is inherent in the crime of trespass to dwelling and robbery with force upon things. Para magawa po itong mga crime na ito, necessarily, papasok ka sa bahay o gusali kahit sa anong daanan na nanaisin mo. But, unlawful entry is aggravating in the crime of robbery with violence against or intimidation of persons since unlawful entry is not indispensable in consummating the crime. Yung robbery kasi with violence against or intimidation of persons, hindi mo kailangang pumasok para gawin yung krimen. Dito sa robbery na to ay kailangan mo lang saktan yung person na nanakawan mo. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.